Oh, hey guys. Good morning. Happy weekend. I don't know. I'm gonna vlog. My room is an absolute mess. I did makeup. Okay, sorry. I gotta enter this video. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole. I look prettier when I have makeup on. Okay, I just woke up. Anyways, let's get into the video. So I did makeup. Oh my gosh. I did makeup for clients like a few weeks ago. Haven't cleaned up that mess. And so I have to clean up that mess, but my room needs a huge vacuum clean, like not even a spring clean. It's like a fall clean, getting ready for winter. I need to vacuum. There's so much dust. It's so gross. But it's my dust. Like it's like just the neglect. So we're gonna do it. You're gonna watch me clean my whole like room. You're gonna see the disaster. There's clothes. All this laundry is clean. When I say clean, it is just clean. Came out of the washer or dryer, and this is hard to do, like kneeling in the deadlift position. So it's all clean. I just have to put it away, and I have to get rid of clothes. This is my closet right here. I have to get rid of clothes that just doesn't serve me any purpose, like as in I don't wear it. So we're gonna go through that, turn on the lights, and then the other lights, and get going. And then once I finish cleaning my room, I have to go for a run. Hopefully I can do 12K. Maybe if I feel good, I'll do 15. Honestly, I don't even care about my jogging speed. I just want to do the time, if that makes sense, because 2 hours of running is like dreadful. But anyways, this vanity needs to be cleaned. Those are all the makeup brushes. These are all my clothes, you guys. It is a mess. Oh, hello. It is a mess. And so now, again, my closet, I'm going to turn it on. Need to get rid of some clothes because a lot of this clothes need to be put in here, but there's no room. So I'm going to, everything has to come out. Everything will be coming out to the living room. I'm gonna clean my room first, take away all the clothes, as you guys will see, and go from there. So yeah. So, many hours later, we are done. I just took that from the closet, and here, hold on. We're gonna, my mask, I gotta take my mask off, it's too hot. But anyways, so here we go. Look at all the shoes, you guys. We're gonna actually put another shelf up here. So I just tossed everything back up here, very disorganized, because we're gonna add a shelf. There's tons of room so that I can have more space and more organization, and it's just out of the way. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. Everything is clean now. All the clothes are put away. There's nothing on the ground. I just have to make my bed, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Okay, we are many days later, so this is like another weekend. You guys, like, first of all, let's talk about the color coordination. We love it. I can't even believe this. Look at this. I have a shelf. So here, as you guys can see, my dad just built a shelf. So we went to Home Depot and we got the wood and cut it all. So yeah, he just built it. I was like, no, just leave it wood, because then we had to wait to paint and I didn't have time. You guys, like, I have my stuff up here. Now it's like so much organized. I only put like shoes that I know, like they're summertime shoes, I will not be wearing. And then all my bags, as you guys can see, all my bags, all my little bags are in there, so easy to grab. And then like bigger stuff, and then I'll take this out. But like, gorgeous. Love. So happy with the result. That's the end of this video. I have to put these clothes away because I just did laundry. So thank you guys so much for watching, for being the MVPs. I greatly appreciate it, and stay tuned for more content. Bye.